Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we'll start with element properties and type properties. We have to make a small building with two different type of walls. Like this building, we have external wall with 250 and internal wall with 150 millimeter. If I select this wall, I have its properties at this part. Its properties name with element properties. This properties for this wall only. If I select other wall, this properties for this wall only, and so on with any wall or any element. But if I select this wall and go to edit type from here, I have now the properties for any wall with this type, generic 250 millimeter. If I change anything here, it will affect all wall with this type. If I select structure width from here and change this, it will change all walls with this type. If I undo it, it will be like it. But if I change this wall properties, element properties from here, if I make it second floor, if I make it from ground to first and press apply, it will disappear from here and all other wall will be there. So the element properties for every element alone. It's not preferred to change this type. You have to first duplicate it and change its name with new layer. Like this, and change it. Okay, it will affect the new wall with selected type, but other wall with the old type, it will not affect them. If I want to change all wall to the new type, I have to select them all and select the new type. It will be like this: ground floor, and change this to second or third. It will be appear here. I can change its style from here. This is the difference between element properties and type properties. I hope it's simple and easy. See you next lesson. Bye.